Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update your BMW X3 software. First, you'll want to check your current software version. Access your iDrive system and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select General Settings and then Software Update. This will display your vehicle's current software version, which is important to know before proceeding with any updates. Make sure your car is in a well-ventilated area and has a stable power supply. Next, you'll need to download the update file. Head to the official BMW website and locate the Software Update section. You'll need to enter your vehicle's VIN to ensure you download the correct update package for your specific BMW X3 model. Once found, download the file directly onto a USB drive. Ensure the USB drive is formatted to FAT32 for proper recognition by your car's system. Now it's time to install the software in your car. With your engine running, insert the USB drive containing the update file into your BMW X3's USB port. Go back to the Software Update menu within your iDrive system. The car should detect the update file automatically. Select Start Update and follow the clear on-screen instructions. Do not turn off the engine or remove the USB drive during this process. Once the update is complete, your BMW X3 may restart its iDrive system. It's crucial to allow this process to finish entirely without interruption. After the system reboots, navigate back to the Software Update menu to verify that the new version number is displayed. Finally, take a moment to test key functions like navigation and media to ensure everything is working correctly. Enjoy your updated BMW X3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.